Here I have DOOGEE X55, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the display options and select option wallpaper here. Next you have an option to set a photo from your gallery as a wallpaper, or you can just go with one of the presets. Let's select, for example, this one, or maybe this one, and then you just tap on set wallpaper. Next you have to choose if you want to set it on the home screen, on lock screen, on the both. I'll just go with both, and that's it. As you can see, the wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.